Super Bowls. It's pretty attractive. Now, display. I like the fact that it has steady margins. They have been buying back stock a little bit. They've been kind of opportunistic there. It's a reasonable PE. I'd love to be buying down. I'd love to be buying the stock down in the 30.
On all the search engines, like Google, Yahoo, and Bing? Exactly. And Web.com has helped grow my business so much, I had to bring on new staff. Hey, if Web.com did it for you, you're perfect for me. Call now, 1-800-535-8815. That's 1-800-535-8815.
I think that was a
little... I think we should put some thought into this, but off the air. There could be some very interesting things.
Okay, now it's also the 10th birthday of Ubuntu. Ubuntu is, of course, a version of...
Seguimos con sus llamadas. Buenos días. Bueno, el número a marcar aquí a la cabina 703-383-1063. Y para las personas que necesiten hacer una cita personal conmigo en mi oficina, el número es el 703-931-1740. 703-931.
But Vogelsong, P.V. Hudson, overall, you look at their postseasons and their totalities, weren't good. Bumgarner carried this Giants rotation to a World Series title. There are other recent examples of,
the urge to be a little bit lazy and think you can get away with salmoning. Think again. And with that, we conclude this edition of The World According to Words. Any comments or suggestions are welcome. You can reach me by email. The address is cri@cri.com.cn. If you somehow prefer snail mail, just send your letter to English Service, China Radio International, Beijing, China. And the zip code is 1004040. I'm your host and program producer, Doyen. Until next time, goodbye.
I want to learn Chinese.
其实并不难 It can be fun.
欢乐汉语 Chinese Studio.
Welcome to the show, everyone. Kim, you look pale. 你脸色不太好.
Oh, I'm not feeling too well yet.
Well, you should definitely see a doctor, and I'll teach you what you say when you get to the hospital.
Great.
Key words of the day. Did you catch a cold? 是不是感冒了? I think I have a fever. 我好像发烧了. Are you feeling better? 感觉好点没? I feel much better now, thanks. 我觉得好多了，谢谢. All in today's Chinese studio.
Kim, you don't look very well. 是不是感冒了?
What does that mean?
It means, did you catch a cold? 是不是 means, did you?
是不是
感冒 catch a cold.
感冒
是不是感冒了? Did you catch a cold?
是不是感冒了
你的脸色不太好，是不是感冒了？
好像是的
Kim, did you catch a cold? 是不是感冒了?
Well, I do think I have a fever.
Well, you can say, 我好像发烧了.
我好像发烧了
I think I have something in Chinese is 好像
好像
发烧 have a fever.
发烧
我好像发烧了.
我好像发烧了。I think I have a fever. 你怎么了？看上去精神不太好。
我好像发烧了，你的脸色不太好，没事儿吧？
我好像发烧了。